You can make a woman feel weak and powerless if you touch her in these 4 sensitive spots. We'll discuss this in the video, but first, let me give a disclaimer. Only try these techniques when you're in a serious relationship with the woman or she's already your partner. Never attempt these on a woman you've just met, especially someone else's girlfriend. These techniques aren't about bedroom fun. By watching this video, you'll realize that touching a woman isn't just about her lower body or chest. There are other powerful spots that can make her cling to you. Let's get straight to it. Here are 4 sensitive spots on a woman that, if you touch them, will make her weak and powerless. 1. Touching her hands. Many people might already know about this point, but a lot still get it wrong. Touching a woman's hands isn't something you do carelessly. If you hold her hand while walking together at the mall, it won't be as effective. Over time, she might even get bored if you do it too often. Instead, make touching her hands something special, reserved for significant moments. For example, when she needs protection, like when you're walking downstairs or crossing a street. It's not just about physical protection, but emotional as well. For instance, when she's feeling sad, show her that you're there to protect her from anything that might hurt her feelings. Hold her hand firmly and let her know that you're ready to be by her side during tough times. This way, your touch will be more meaningful and will leave a lasting impression on her. 2. Touching the crown of her head. This is a touch that naturally makes everyone feel happy. Even as babies, it feels good when our mom or dad touches the crown of our head. There's scientific research that shows people can feel happiness when touched on the top of their head. Like the first point, you shouldn't touch a woman's head just any time. If you touch her head when she's angry, she'll only get angrier. Touching a woman's crown has a positive impact only in certain moments, one of which is when you want to compliment her. For example, if she cooks a delicious meal for you, touch her head while telling her how much you enjoyed it. Or when she achieves something, like getting good grades in school or a promotion at work. The key is that by touching her head, you're showing her that you're proud of her, and she'll definitely feel happy. Women, by nature, crave recognition. If you can give her that recognition through a touch on the head, you're indirectly providing emotional satisfaction for her. 3. Touching her ears. This touch isn't physical but rather through whispering. You can try this trick from time to time, especially during romantic moments like having dinner together or while riding a motorcycle. Whisper words that express how much you enjoy being with her. Avoid using cheap pickup lines, as they might turn her off instead. 4. Touching through eye contact. This could be the most powerful form of touch and something you can give to her anytime. When you're talking, walking together, or even just sitting in silence, try looking into her eyes. Numerous studies have shown that eye contact is the most effective language for strengthening human connections. Especially in romantic relationships, eyes can be the best tool for communication. Through eye contact alone, you can convey your love to her without saying a word. So, from now on, make it a habit to always look into your partner's eyes, especially during quiet moments. She'll melt for sure, and one thing you should remember is to be confident when making eye contact. Don't be nervous, as it can make you appear weak in her eyes. So, here are the 4 spots that will make a woman weak and powerless if you touch them. 1. Touching her hands. 2. Touching the crown of her head. 3. Touching her ears. 4. Touching through eye contact. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful.